The project, known as House on the Hill, or La Colina Frente a la Cañada, is a striking work by HW Studio, a Mexico-based architectural firm. It is located in El Vaquerito, Mexico, and is defined by its integration into the natural topography. Rather than standing above the land, the house becomes part of it, forming a new hill that merges seamlessly with the surrounding terrain. The concept originated from a simple but powerful image: a frightened child hiding beneath a bedsheet, seeking shelter while peeking out to remain aware of the world. This primal gesture became the metaphor for the building. The green, undulating roof folds into the ground like fabric, creating a protective layer, while beneath it lies a solid concrete vault. The structure conveys both fragility and permanence, offering refuge while honoring the landscape. 4 concrete walls emerge as accents in this natural poem. 2 support the weight of the new hill, and 2 define the entry sequence. The pathway is narrow enough to invite solitude and leads to a centuries-old tree, so significant that one wall bends gently to respect its presence. Visitors must pass this threshold before descending stone steps and entering through a heavy steel door, arriving in a cavern-like space that is cold yet intimate. The material palette is deliberate: concrete, wood, stone, and steel. Concrete interacts with its environment, shifting in color with weather and time. Wood recalls the surrounding pine forests, balancing the rawness of concrete. Steel develops a bark-like patina, while stone grounds the experience in timeless solidity. Inside, the layout contrasts openness and intimacy. Public spaces face the ravine, connecting directly with the forest, while private rooms look inward to a quiet courtyard. Appliances and lighting are discreetly hidden, reinforcing an atmosphere free from temporal markers. The result is a dwelling that feels elemental, more like a cave or a pause in the landscape than a traditional house. Since its creation, House on the Hill has been celebrated internationally for its poetic approach to design and its ability to merge architecture, memory, and nature. It is not only a residence, but also a meditation on protection, vulnerability, and the timeless dialogue between human life and the land.